At the start of 2021, along with stocks like GameStop, AMC were the ones to be long of. They were part of the Wall Street bets, run up in the price of those short squeeze type stocks. Now, AMC is not on really that short squeeze list anymore, but earnings are out very soon. So I thought I'd take a look at the technical analysis and see what is going on with the stock price and where it could be heading next. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Well, we can see quite clearly from the line chart the meteoric rise over 2021 of AMC. It was like a short squeeze list target stock. The Wall Street bets guys talked them up. Price went rocketing up to all-time highs around $60, and the price since then, since early summer, has fallen off back to around about that 61.8% Fibonacci line, which you could call $37 to $40, or just below that, call it $35 to $40 as its sort of zone of consolidation. It has popped up in September time before again pulling back, and is on currently the way back up towards the next Fibonacci line at 78.6%, which is $47 to sort of $50. But overall, it looks like it's consolidated, holding that run up. AMC as a company have been working on the fundamentals of the business to get into new markets, cryptocurrencies, stuff like that. So doing well there, and it's probably the reason why this stock has sort of rejuvenated itself and pushing on and looking a lot more bullish at the moment. So the daily Heikin Average chart in the short term all looking positive from our signals at the bottom there, the two bottom lines, both bullish. Volatility around about 63% annual, a lot lower than what it normally is. And you can see, when price has moved up quite dramatically, we've had a like I say, a rocket up in the volatility price as well. And in terms of volume, it's the same sort of story, trading lower than its longer term moving average, and you can see those two big spikes areas in volume as the price rose firstly back towards the beginning of 21, and then that big run up in sort of May, June time of this year. Now right onto the price, currently trading within the pink line boxes, so neutral there, and trading within the 2 standard deviation regression line, so neutralish at the moment. Interesting to watch earnings out later and see what that does to the price, whether it drives any extra volatility. And the Renko chart, I've used a $1 block size. All our signals at the bottom are bullish. Onto the price action, it's trading around about the longer term moving average, so neutral there. Price is slightly recovering. We've just got a buy signal outside of the 2 pink line box area. You can see the Fibonacci lines there. Created them from the trend from that high in early June, and to the upside, key numbers around 52, 57, and then going through those highs around the $65 mark. A big takeoff in the price could see $80 hit to the downside. If, for example, earnings come out pretty poor this evening, then we could see down to that support area where we can see that double bottom around 35, and below that 30, 31, and real bad results or loss in confidence in the stock, we could see the price down to the early 20s, if not the mid-teens. But overall, it's starting to look a bit more of a bullish recovery, and like I say, it's got to work towards those highs around about $60 before it can break on upwards further to target that $80 mark. Compared to what it looked like in the first half of 2021, price action all looks a bit sedentary, and if we look at the Heikin-Ashi, there's a pretty neutral setup, but starting to show shoots of positivity and bullishness, and the same really in the Renko setup too, hence my overall weak bullish opinion of AMC at the moment. If we focus on the targets, it's not bad upside, 1.7, 2.8 to 1 if you've been a bit more aggressive. Same to the downside, the bearishness, little less in terms of possible upside in terms of return there, 1.142 to 1. Not looking quite as good, but the earnings that are due to be announced could be of interest into the future direction of the price. So AMC have had a blockbuster rise in 2021, but are they another blockbuster stock? And we all know what happened to blockbusters. Well, time will tell, and tonight's earnings could be of quite significance, so watch that very carefully. Now let me know below in the comments what you think of AMC. Is it a blockbuster stock, or is it set to run and push on through those highs and get stronger and stronger? Like I say, let me know. Like to hear your thoughts, and if you've liked today's technical analysis, want to learn more, put a link in the description below for you to follow. And if you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. All that's left for me now to say then is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.